Thanks for checking out 3D Products. Donald Williams. We're going to go and introduce to you the brand new KKW3 3-inch lamb's wool cutting pad. It's actually 3.5 inches. It's really well with the K98 flexible backing plate here. It's a flexible backing plate just like the rest of ours. It's a Velcro base. Now the difference between this pad and some of the other ones we have, this is a knitted wool pad. You're not going to get as much of torque or any resistance as much as you would a 3-inch pad, so you're not going to have to worry about it being really attached right to that lambskin. We're going to show you how to remove this 3000 sand scratch here using this knitted wool pad and using AAT 501. It's really simple. I mean, these guys that are out there and they just want to do a quick denib, you can turn to level 3 here. It's about 900 RPMs. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to make short work of this, especially with the 501. If you notice, it's very low lint. You don't see material flying all over the place. Still has all the same qualities that you can come to know with all the 3D wool cutting pads. Keeps the heat down. Takes quick work of that sanding scratch. Obviously, you have some holograms, which you're going to get with a wool pad. It's the nature of it. But you're doing real quick work. We appreciate you taking the time to stop by. Check us out, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Have your friends follow us on any of your feeds. That way they can also keep up to date with 3D's latest, greatest innovative car care products. Until then, I'm Donald Williams. We'll see you soon.